She's a killer queen, gunpowder gelatine.
King.
Dynamite with a dynamite with a dynamite with a
Tay. Killer. Turn me up in the mic. Yeah. Look, I gotta go get it if the money involved. I pity the fool, ain't no capping involved. Or rush must dissolve, I spaz on these track, I'm killing them all. Can't take no L, I'm so far from a loss. Replace that L with a B, I'm a boss. Gotta flex up on them right now, can't wait no tomorrow. Don't show no sorrow, can't show no mercy. I know a pussy nigga plotting to murder me. No, you can't hurt me, I'm strong like Hercules. Boy, I know they hate me, niggas can't stand me. Tell them take them seat, I'm teaching class. Where my ruler, you niggas maneuver. Show no remorse to no nigga, no dyke. These bitches be whacking, I swear it ain't right. They in it for the fame, I just want the money. You swear you frost, walk around looking bummy. You niggas is crazy, you bitches fugazi, must be off that lean. Walk around lazy, I'ma give it my all. Respect is what I have, a nigga try me. Them cutters on his ass, they praying on my downfall. Wishing me last, got a lot to show for, so I can't crash. One I'm up next, I know them haters gonna be mad. I'ma sit back and just look at them laugh. I'm on to the future, I'm set for the past. They doubt from the beginning, I'm here at last. Killing these beats, first degree murder, I had to do it. Not to mention, it wasn't my intention. This is what I do, so I gotta get it done, no bitching. They telling me I changed, well I guess it's for the better. Why y'all switching lanes? I was out chasing cheddar, y'all nigga in the making. Yeah, about time. Talk your shit, can't say.